Hello friends, welcome to Little Reader's World. Today we are going to read Pete the Cat, 5 Little Ducks by James Dean. Let's get started. Five little ducks went out to play, with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the cat said, "Let's splash and swim." But only 4 little ducks jumped in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks went out to play, with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the cat said, "Let's jump and hop." But only 3 little ducks popped up. 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks went out to play, with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the cat said, "Let's try the swing." But only 2 little ducks flapped their wings. 1, 2. 2 little ducks went out to play, with one cool cat leading the way. Pete the cat said, "Let's run inside." But only 1 little duck came by. 1. 1 little duck was there to play, with one cool cat this rainy day. Pete the cat said, "It's me and you." But that little duck left too. Sad Pete the cat went out to play, but all of the ducks had gone away. Pete the cat said, "Hey, what was that?" And the 5 little ducks came running back. Quack, 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 quack. 5 little ducks all yelled, "Hooray!" They made Pete a treat that day. Pete the cat said, "Let's all have fun." And they played until the day was done. The end.